Question number one. A very important feature of respiration is that it liberates energy, it provides oxygen, it utilizes carbon dioxide, it synthesizes complex compounds. So, correct answer is option 1. Respiration is very important because it liberates energy. Question number 2. The end product of glycolysis is citric acid, glyceraldehyde, phosphoglyceraldehyde, pyruvic acid. So correct answer is option 4. Pyruvic acid is the end product of glycolysis. Question number 3. The first compound of tricarboxylic acid cycle is oxalosuccinic acid, oxaloacetic acid, citric acid, cis-aconitic acid. So correct answer is option 3. Citric acid is the first compound of tricarboxylic acid cycle, which is also known as Krebs cycle. Posture effect is concerned with the shifting of environmental condition from light to dark, from aerobic to anaerobic, from anaerobic to aerobic, from light to anaerobic. So correct answer is option 3. Posture effect is related with shifting the environmental condition from anaerobic to aerobic. Question number 5. Which one is the product of aerobic respiration? Malic acid, ethyl alcohol, lactic acid, pyruvic acid. So correct answer is option 4. Pyruvic acid is the product of aerobic respiration. और इसी तरह मैलिक एसिड भी आ सकता है क्योंकि ये भी एक इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट है जो कि सेकंड स्टेज ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन जिसको हम क्रेब्स साइकिल कहते हैं उसके अंदर प्रोड्यूस होता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Mitchell chemiosmotic theory belongs to Krebs cycle, oxidative phosphorylation, glycolysis, none of the above. So correct answer is option 2. Chemiosmotic theory is related to oxidative phosphorylation during which ATP is synthesized in mitochondria. Question number 7. The aerobic respiration yield 10 NADH2, 2 FADH2 and 38 ATP molecules. So correct answer is option B. Which of the following is necessary for respiration in plants? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, chlorophyll, light. So correct answer is option 2. Oxygen is necessary for respiration in plants. Question number 9. Connecting link between glycolysis and Krebs cycle is oxaloacetate, PEP, or pyruvate acetyl coenzyme A. So correct answer is option 4. Acetyl coenzyme A, which is produced from the pyruvate. It is a connecting link between Krebs cycle and glycolysis. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरखास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें. Question number 10. Which of the following is the phosphorylating unit? Oxysome, mesosome, peroxisome, mitochondria. So correct answer is option 1. Oxysomes, which are present on the cristae of mitochondria, they are phosphorylating unit because they are involved in synthesis of ATP from ADP. Question number 11. Largest amount of ATP is produced during glycolysis, fermentation, Krebs cycle, aerobic respiration. So correct answer is option 3. Largest amount of ATP is produced during Krebs cycle in respiration. Question number 12. The carrier which transfer the electron in electron transport chain is phytochrome, cytochrome, quantasomes, fucoxanthin. So correct answer is option 2. Cytochromes are the carrier molecules which transfer the electron in electron transport system. Question number 13. The process that is used in conversion of pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme A is oxidative dehydration, oxidative decarboxylation, oxidative phosphorylation, oxidative dehydrogenation. So correct answer is option 2. Oxidative decarboxylation is the process that converts pyruvate into acetyl coenzyme A with release of NADPH. Question number 14. Which of the following process make direct use of oxygen? Glycolysis, fermentation, electron transport, or Krebs citric acid cycle? So correct answer is option 3. Electron transport directly use oxygen. Question number 15. Pyruvate dehydrogenase is used to convert glucose into pyruvate or pyruvic acid into lactic acid or pyruvate into acetyl coenzyme A pyruvate into glucose? So correct answer is option 3. Pyruvate dehydrogenase is used to convert pyruvate into acetyl coenzyme A during a oxidative decarboxylation process. Question number 16. Which is produced in oxidative pentose phosphate pathway? Pyruvic acid, acetyl coenzyme A, NADH2, NADPH. So correct answer is option 4. NADPH is produced in pentose phosphate pathway during which different reactions are catalyzed by glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase enzyme. Question number 17. Which of the following enzyme is not used in Krebs cycle? Aconitase, aldolase, decarboxylase, fumarase. So correct answer is option 2. Aldolase is not used in Krebs cycle, rather it is enzyme of glycolysis. Question number 18. Net gain of ATP from one molecule of glucose in glycolysis. तो glycolysis के अंदर दो net ATP molecule gain होती हैं. So correct answer is option 1. Question number 19. Aerobic respiration pathway is appropriately termed as parabolic, amphibolic, anabolic, catabolic. So correct answer is option 2. Aerobic respiratory pathway is known as amphibolic, means it consists of both anabolic and catabolic process. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरखास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. The phase that is common in aerobic and anaerobic respiration is glycogenolysis or glycolysis, electron transport system or Krebs cycle. So correct answer is option 2. Glycolysis is a common stage in both aerobic and anaerobic respiration.